Hi, if you're self-employed and wondering what you actually qualify for with a bank statement loan, I built a free calculator that shows you in 60 seconds using the exact same method lenders use. Let me walk you through how it works. Okay, here's the bank statement income calculator. First part, borrower information. You can enter your name and ownership percentage. If you have partners, for example, one partner, then you'll enter 50. In this case, let's leave it to 100. Next will be the expense factor details. Here's where you'll tell the system a little bit about your business. So first thing here would be business category. You can hover above this to get a quick explanation. So you'll have options for service business, product business, real estate business. Let's enter service business. Next, choose the employee count. Drop it down. And this, if you hover above this, it'll tell you this count is including yourself. So let's do 0 to 1. And then the system automatically calculates your expense factor, in this case 30%. If you choose, for example, 2 to 10 employees, it will change it to 50%. If you choose, let's say, product business, right? You're selling products instead of services, and you have 2 to 10 employees, you'll have a 60% expense factor. Let's switch this back to service and 0 to 1, so that's a 30% expense factor. Now, if you have a CPA validated expense factor, like a letter, CPA letter with a validated expense factor, you can choose that. Now, you can enter then the exact expense factor, so override the standard recommended one, but it needs to be a minimum of 10%. That's the lowest it can go. So for this example, let's go back to standard, service business, and 0 to 1 employees. Next section is the analysis period, monthly data. You can choose between 12-month analysis and 24-month analysis. Let's keep it 12-month. If you check 24, it is going to update it to 24 months of deposits. Well, let's keep it at 12 months. For this example, we'll use $12,000 per month. We'll just go ahead and enter that in each month. And then in the column next to it, it says unallowed deposits. If we hover above that, it says that these are deposits not accepted for income calculations. Things like internal transfers, personal gifts, or unrelated reimbursements. So let's add a couple of those just for examples. 500 here, 1,000 there. You scroll down to the bottom and you calculate income. Here it is. It'll give you your income results. This is exactly what lenders will use. Okay, so 83, 12, 50. So you can watch it on screen, take a picture, screenshot. However, if you want to email the analysis to yourself, you can do that, and just enter your email, send the analysis. You can pull up your email. You'll see the full analysis in your inbox. Total deposits, base monthly income, the full calculation, exactly how the lenders would do it. And that's it. Just go to the mtghub.com/bankcalc or click on the link in the description. It's completely free, no sales pitch, just transparency, so you know exactly where you stand before you even call me. If you have any questions about your specific situation, give me a call or schedule a consultation. I'm happy to walk you through your actual bank statements. Thanks.